Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be mixing so many Elmers glitter glues to see what it creates. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any other videos like this. So this idea came up to me like 2 weeks ago when I just saw this random pack of glitter glues at Walmart for $10. So I decided to mix all of them and see what they created. So I started off with this clear glue just for like the base, you know. And then I just started dumping that into a clear bowl so you guys can see everything that I put in it. So now let's start dumping all of the glitter glues into the bowl. So now that I finished dumping all the glitter glues into the bowl, I'm gonna start mixing it. What color do you think it's gonna create once I mix it? Leave down in the comment below and guess your color. Look how pretty this looks, you guys. It turned out like this rose gold type of color, and I'm really digging the color. It turned out really nice and so many sparkles and glitters in it. I really thought it was gonna turn into a brown color, and I was like, oh, I don't think it's gonna turn out with a like really nice color because it's so many colors. But it turned out super nice, and here is how it turned out at the end when I boraxed it. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any other videos like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.